Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notification settings. Just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. Click here on notification categories. Then you come to next step here. Come here to your recommendations. Just click in this sign that like you see this color show for us. That's many your recommendations notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.